we're asked in this problem to evaluate an expression. So I'm going to start with the L shift inside the parentheses. So you have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And then we're moving to the left and we're shifting 1, so that becomes a 0 on the other side. Then we can do the other L circ there. So we have 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and we're moving to the left again 3 times. And this time our digits are going to carry over. So 0, 1, 1. And then we have not 1, 0, not 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So all of those digits become their opposite. So it's 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So now we're going to rewrite the expression. So we have not r circ 2 of 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And we have or 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So now we can do the R circ. So we're going to do an R circ twice. So we have 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. We're moving to the right. And so we're going to move those digits to the other side. So 0 and 0. And now, since and takes precedence over or and saxo, we can also do that part of the expression. So we're going to compare each digit individually. So both have to be 1. So 1 and 1 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0. 0 and 1 is 0. 1 and 0 is 0. And 1 and 0 is 0. So now we can rewrite the expression again. It's getting simpler. We have not 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Or 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So now we can do the not, and all of the digits are just going to become their opposite. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 will turn into 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So now we can rewrite it for the final time. We have 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, or 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we compare each of the digits individually. 1 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. 0 or 0 is 0. And that is your final answer.